What's up, all my peoples out here, man? You know your boy Roll back at you with another vliggity vlogger. You know what I'm saying? Bringing you another car vlog, man. Guess what, my peoples? Well, y'all gonna have to guess what it is, but I'm bringing y'all another car to the channel. You feel me? I done came up on somebody. Well, I done came up on somebody. I done came up on another car my boy done blessed me with. Something I've been wanting for a minute. I want to tell y'all straight off the bat, but I want y'all to do a little guessing game with me. You know what I'm saying? So, in the comments, type below what y'all think it is. You know what I mean? And hopefully, well, not hopefully, well, y'all see when a tow truck pull up, because, you know, I had to have him tow. Like I say, this is a car we finna build, ground up. You gonna see what I'm talking about. It needs some work, but you know what I'm saying? I'm bringing y'all builders, so you know what I mean? I could bring some content, and when it's done, it's gonna be done and ready to, you know what I mean, with it. But if you're new to my channel, you know what I need y'all to do. I need you to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button, so when you know I post, you can get that ding, or you know, that notification, you feel me? But like I said, we waiting for the dude to pull up, so I'll give you some more of it when he pull up. But yeah, in the comments, you know what y'all think it is, man. You know what I'm saying? I know I need to get back at y'all with some more content with the Mopar. You know what I mean? The 300, we still got some more content with that. And then, oh yeah, some of y'all was asking me about the BMW. I let that go, you know what I mean? I was gonna bring y'all some more content on that, but somebody was ready to cash out, and I needed that moolah, baby. So that's gone, you know what I'm saying? That's why we able to replace something else and bring some more content, something I've been wanting anyway. So you'll see when it pull up. But see y'all in a minute. Right here, did y'all guess what it is? Mustang GT 5.0, baby. Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all guessed it. What was y'all guess? But I don't think none of y'all guessed it would be a Mustang, man. Look, we came up on a drop top 84 Mustang. Running and everything need to be ran through. I'm gonna start it up for y'all in a minute, but this is what we bring it to the channel, y'all. I'm about to, you feel me, bring him back. I'm trying to think, should I keep it the same color, y'all? What should I do with it? I paint a different color and come with different rims. Oh yeah, you gotta put the dual exhaust on there, because you know some of these 84s, I think all of the 84s came with the one pipe, but this is a real V8. Ain't no converted. Yes, it needs interior, I know. Shout out to my boy D. If you ever watched this video, man, I appreciate you, man. Show me love. You feel me? Bring him back. You know, we go pick him up and be sliding through the town in it, throughout the Bay Area. But yeah, man, we gonna go ahead and bring this back, bring y'all some content. You feel me? See if I can go ahead and get him started too. But yeah, I gotta get some things done to it. Put the air cleaner on. Hook up some different hoses, but yeah, it runs. I'm gonna show y'all, it runs. And I gotta see if the top actually worked. My boy said it did, but I never did check. I wasn't tripping. We was just trying to get it out here, going through a hassle, trying to get it towed. Yeah, y'all, matter of fact, yeah, y'all AAA people be tripping, man. Y'all have people sign up to membership, roadside assistance, but then you want this and that and that and this. Man, come on now. Y'all wouldn't know what I had to go through just to get it towed, because I'm got AAA. They don't want to tow it because the registration ain't current. Are you serious? Like, come on, man. Y'all should have told me that before I paid for my membership. You feel me? Well, yeah, I'm gonna try to get them to give me another one. What is this right here? Oh, is that for the light? Alright, but yeah, I ain't had no Ford in a minute, y'all. I had a couple of Mustangs 5.0s. I had a 95, 97. And then I had another one. You had brought and sold it right quick. It was a quick flipper, but yeah. This is similar to the one I want. I like the Bayish style on it. You know. I was thinking maybe I should either change this front end, what y'all think? Cause I like the LX one with the curve. Or the other one. See, this is the 84, the 85 and 86. They came with, you know, all of it, the bumper part. It ain't no plastic piece or whatever this is right here. So it's a little different, but almost the same. Got the fog lights. You know what I mean? So, okay, let's try to start this thing up. Probably need some gas. But it started up earlier. You know, I gotta get the this on there. Key. You know, start off from the key, so see light on, accessories on. Make sure this thing is at neutral. It won't pop out. Matter of fact, we can probably check the top, huh? And then we do, we gotta let it go like that. Let's see if this thing works, y'all. Can't see it. This is one part. Oh, no, tripping. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Top. Sound like it's trying to do something, but it ain't. You feel me? I don't know. I know we probably could, see, I hear something back there. Y'all hear that? Something trying to move. Probably just ain't been done in so long, but I could probably take it off like that. But we gotta leave that alone for now. You feel me? Put that back up. Oh yes. Let me see about these windows. Here's something. What's that? Not for that window. Okay. See, you might need window. Oh, then it probably didn't go down because these ain't down. I don't know. Like I said, I ain't had a Ford in a minute. So this, okay, that window worked. This one don't. I think this the one he was saying don't work. So. Locked out. Well, I'll be able to get in from that window, so hopefully it ain't locked. Hopefully it ain't locked. Fuck that. Okay, maybe do it. Okay, do lock up. Once you do like that, it's unlocked. We'll leave that part. But let's see if we can get it started right quick, y'all. Oh, I never did check to see if the headlights or none of that worked. Oh, that's coming on. Feel me? Wood grain. I ain't even check to see if none of this. I don't even think that worked. But we'll get all that hooked up later. What is this? Amp pull. I don't know what the hell all that is. But we're gonna get to it. We're gonna vacuum it out. Get some of these cobwebs, cuckabugs out. We got the air cleaner in there. It didn't work. Brake lights. Them lights, let's see. Turn signal work. Turn signal work. Working with something here. Working with something. And I did throw a new battery in there. Okay. Both of them lights on. Let's see. Okay, turn center light, both lights is on, headlights. Let's see if the back one working. Oh yeah, we in the mix. Okay, I ain't even check this stuff out, y'all. So I'm checking it out now. Just trying to see what work, what don't. Let's see, what is it? Okay, windshield wiper. I just know it's gotta get another window too. That's probably gonna be one first thing a brother do. Alright y'all, but we're gonna see right now. So get this thing started. I gotta do it like this, cause thinking about doing some 351 in there. I might rebuild this out, turn it out, whatever. Like I say, throw a 351 in there and swap this out, get this rebuilt, and say this for another project, old school Ford or something. But yeah, we gonna get into it. Definitely gonna be hopefully done by the summertime, so be patient with me, y'all. And you know what I'm saying, if you got a Ford out there, Mustang 5.0, parts or whatever you, especially if you're in the Bay Area, hit me up, man. Let me know where I could go to get certain stuff at. Cause like I said, I'm gonna need new top, new interior. I feel like the carpet's still good in there though. So, man, depending on what I paint and what I want to do with the interior, I'm thinking maybe peanut butter, the peanut butter top, or I might go black with the black top, or yeah, black with the black top. Peanut butter with the peanut butter top, or white on white. So what y'all think? Let me know in the comments what I should do, y'all. Oh yeah, don't forget we still got the 300C too. We gonna be bringing some content on. So, like I said, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bar. And like I said, we're gonna get back at you with some more of this content. Especially with this, you know what it is. Oh yeah, up to go down. Back at y'all, much love and peace. Hopefully everybody having a good New Year, starting off their New Year's right. It's Aquarius season, almost my B-Day. I'm trying to get up out of here, so yeah. Like I said, we got a lot of more content coming for y'all. Oh yeah, and we gonna be out of here. Love, peace, and respect. So Bayish.